Activity Zone is a feature that helps you avoid getting unnecessary notifications. You can specify one or more areas in the camera view to focus on, and then receive notifications only when an activity is detected within those areas. In order to create an activity zone, simply launch the Vico Home app, go to the settings of the camera you want to use, and choose the activity zone option. From there, you can draw a polygon to specify an area that you want to be watched over. Each camera can have up to 3 zones outlined by an 8-point polygon, and each zone can be configured with different shapes.